What up? What up? We're back. We got a video here. We are live in the Discord right now. We've got Max, we've got Maverick, the fan god, Ocean, Iceman, tons of people in here. But yeah. So I am still. I guess I need to share my screen. And Max, let me know if it ever cuts out for you because I know that it's been messing up lately. But what do we have here? Well, we've had this dump. If you guys have been following along, you guys should know that I am still short from basically all the way up here. And we are having a lot of buys coming in right now. You can see all these buys that are coming in. But I think these might be people getting stopped out of their shorts. I'm not really sure. We'd have to take a look at exo charts really quick to kind of take a look to see what that's kind of looking like. At least so this is why I don't know if a lot of those people were shorters getting stopped out or they were longers, but they might have been people longing. I don't know. But according to this low that we have right now, with the current price action, we came down to these lows, right? And so what I was telling everybody is that we came down to these lows. We took these lows, and the next major lows that we're looking at is these 30K lows right here. And so it is possible, if we go down to the 15-second chart, that this is actually the low for the day, and we're going to pop back up, or we could end up going sideways for a little while. We're at least either going to go sideways or up from here, because within 15 seconds or 30 seconds, we got bought back up in like 1% already. And so if we look at the volume that was happening as this dump was coming in, we can see here that it was so fast that bybit couldn't even register this stuff. So as soon as we get to this low, that's when you start to see some longs opening up. And then as soon as we get to this low here, you see a big spike in longs, and you also see some shorts closing, and then you see some shorts closing here as well while there's still longs opening. But as soon as we get to this midpoint of this little tiny range thing here, you start to see that the longs are falling off, shorts are not really opening, shorts are kind of closing a little bit. So it's like the interest has kind of died down a little bit. I think most people are kind of waiting for the 30K drop, but you have conflicting information here so far. One, you have the delta bars putting in bearish divergences, but this could be leading right now. I would say that the actual bearish divergences was between this high and this high, and this high and this high. So you had a price making lower highs, delta bars making higher highs, and then you start that dump down. And then this dump to me kind of resets this. So I really wouldn't compare this to this. I would kind of compare like this price action is its own little thing, because again, this looks like to me that if you're going to look at this as CVD or delta bar divergences, this is leading to me, because there's so much buying going on right now. And so you come down to this low and you actually put in delta bar weakness here, because you have more buyers over here than you did over here, and also less people selling. So that's where you have prices making lower lows, delta bars are making higher lows. So that means that there's weakness going into this low, because that means that there's more people buying right here than there were right here, or there's less people selling here than they were right here. So that's why this whole thing right here is kind of looking like this is leading. This whole little section is looking like it's leading for delta bars. Let's take a look at the trend reversal chart. Yeah, let's see what happened here. Holy shit. Yeah, so you on this candle right before, oh my god, somebody just bought 8.3 million Bitcoin. On this candle right here, you had 90% of this candle came out to be 8.4 million in sell volume. Then the very next candle, more than half of this was 9.9 million in sells, but it was also a green candle. And then the next candles you had were green, green, and green. So that definitely signals when you have a fat percentage of the delta being negative like that and it's on a green candle, and you come down and you take the lows, like that's usually a sign that this is probably going to reverse. And so as of right now, we're not really seeing anything on the trend reversal chart that would say, you know, what's going to be happening in the next couple of minutes. So yeah, to me, it's like we're either going to range or we're going to pop up, and we could get a swing failure of these highs right here. We could get a swing failure of these highs and have a little bit of a, I'd say that this little section right here could be a possibility for a swing failure pattern, because I think also too, you have this. God damn, people are buying like crazy. Look at this shit. Somebody just bought 13.6 million over on FTX. 13.6 million. Then previous to that on FTX, somebody bought 8.3 million. Well, that's fucking Michael Saylor or something, right? So yeah, you have this area that was once support that could possibly act as a resistance, and I think that that's also probably the 618. If we do this, no, it's up here a little bit more, but yeah, so we'll just have to see. It does look like we are about to test that little high, so we'll see if we can get the swing failure live, but that's the current price action. Again, I'm still short from here. I didn't trade any of this price action because I have no idea why I didn't. Oh, that's because it was like, what the hell is going on here? Anyways, and so as far as any long opportunities go, I'm looking for the 30K to come in for a swing failure pattern of 30K. And if not, I might be looking to get into another short somewhere around here, like 31K, something like that. 31K up to like 31,300. But that's kind of just the plan for the day. Oh boy. Anyways, Max, if you wanted to say something, or if anybody else wanted to say something, if you can even hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay, yeah, let me know when you share your screen.
Have...
All right, so we tried to get Max in here, but we're having internet technical difficulties. But yeah, he was basically saying the reason why he did take this long down here. He's in a long right here. Maybe you could post up a screenshot if you wanted to. I don't know. It's up to you. But because of the swing failure pattern, lately we've been trading a lot of these swing failure patterns because they've been working out like crazy. We do have this swing failure pattern ideas section here that we had this trade right here coming up. We had these ideas posted by Max, these long ideas, and this short idea right here as well. So as you guys can see, some of these swing failures have been working out here. This person's mic doesn't work. We are so sorry. But yeah, so right now, you know, we do have this swing failure possibly happening as we speak, but I don't know if that's actually going to be happening because of the fact that you have, I don't know, maybe, because this is nothing but longs getting close, shorts getting stopped out.
Still incoming.
Yeah, we do have some longs opening up. We do have some more room to go on the 5-minute RSI. We are pretty high up on the 1-minute RSI, so it's possible, but I don't think it's going to happen.
I mean, we are at major resistance, so
we'll just have to kind of wait and see. The fact that it's not just like completely and totally just falling back down right now is Well, anyways, I gotta go and trade this if it does actually happen, which it doesn't sound like it is.
Yay, take profit hit. Fine.
Let's see.
Really.
Well, anyways, I'm gonna end the video. That's it.